Alright, setting up a set of valve covers to help support like a girdle style support. So basically I'm going to machine these so they're both at the same spot level wise, and doing the same thing with this set here. And then I'm going to machine the outside of this just so I can put a nice big giant flat washer there. And then I already have the studs. Oh, I don't have it with me, but I'll show you on the motor where they go through. I do have to open up this one just a hair. I'm just going to do it by hand, open it up, because I mean, we're talking like 3 thou or so there, if anything. All right, let me do this one and I'll show you. Okay, so there you go. So I got the studs in. I didn't Loctite them in or nothing. I'm still just mocking it up. And that's all done. I haven't put a gasket on it or nothing yet. So when you put this guy on, sorry, there you go. It basically bottoms out on those washers, but yet leaves enough room to squish a gasket, if you can see it in there. Maybe it's not. I might have to take one of the washers away. And then we're going to put these guys on the outside, and then put the nut on and crank it down. So when you crank it down, you're not just pulling it in, you're sandwiching it on here. And with this being so tight on there, basically, you end up using the valve cover as like a girdle, supporting the rocker stud even more, or the rocker shaft. There you go. Okay, so that one's done. I can go to the other side and finish it up. So I'm trimming down the back where the sand seal goes, just because I think it's a little bit tight. It's probably just fine, but it's just me being me. And I'm just getting it down so it's a little bit looser on there. I think it's too tight. It's like when you go to put this thing on, it's like grabbing, like it's going to burn that seal up way too much. Even if there was oil on it, it's just too much. So I'm just trimming it down just a little bit, not a whole lot. There you'll see. So I put a little, I'm putting the seal on right now, so I put some sealant behind it. I already put the spacer in there. This is my little installer. You're going to see that engine, or the Durco, squish out here. Watch, it's coming up on it. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Ew. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, right there. There we go. I can take this guy off right now. Here, come on, baby. I don't know if that's enough. Yeah, that is. I just want to use my finger to smear that and make it look all pretty. That looks pretty. All right, there you go. And then when I go to put the pulley on, I'll put some grease on before I put it in. But one step closer. Okay, so I got some grease on there. Hopefully I'm holding this in the right location. Somewhere right here, it's gonna just boop. Come on, boop for me. There you go. You hear that? Even sound like boop. Get past that seal, baby. You can do it. Dang. Yeah, it's still in there. Make sure the keyway, I don't know if you can see it, the keyway's still in there. Alright, I can use this thing. Bolt, just to get this to go down. There you go. That's easy now. Now, of course, when you're doing this, one of the things you want to watch out for is the oil pump bolts. Make sure there's enough space. Come on. It's taking too long. Are we still good on oil pump bolts? Oh, yeah. We got tons of room, actually. At some point, this is going to get tighter. I just know it. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Back it back off. Now, because you can still get oil coming out between the crankshaft and the pulley or down the woodruff key, I'm actually going to take a sealant and put it up in here and then put the broached pulley bolt on there. Let's fast forward and bam, there it is. So, got that on there. Oh, I'm going to have to wipe my finger. Let's fast forward one more time. Let me just snap my finger. There you go. I like those special effects. I just went like that. It's like it came back to it. All right, so that's installed. We got plenty of room. I don't know if you can see it. To the oil pump bolts. Tons of room over here. Good. All right, now I can set the timing. I got to do static real quick, and then I can put spark plugs in it, and maybe start pumping some fuel to this thing. All right, here, one more look at it.